Hello dear student, before it you have read make how to add two or more simple sentences into one simple sentence, and today I will teach you by using adverbs or adverbial phrase we will make one simple sentence to add two or more simple sentence. What is adverb? Generally, we add ly after any adjective. We make an adverb, and adverbial phrase when with that adverb mix one or more words, then it called adverbial phrase. For example, he spent all his money. This was foolish. Here, foolish is adjective, and when you add ly after this adjective, then it will be an adverb. So, how we have to add these two simple sentences into one simple sentence? Please listen carefully what I say. He spent all his money. Here adjective, and if you add ly after this adjective, then it will be an adverb. So he spent all his money foolishly. In this way, you have to add these two or more simple sentences into one simple sentences by using adverb or adverbial phrase. This by using adverb, these two sentences mix into one simple sentence. Now the next example. He deserved to succeed, he failed. He deserved to succeed, he failed. He deserved to succeed. Sorry. He failed. Deserved, undeserved. He failed undeservedly. This called an adverb. And after then, the next example. The son said he could not finish the homework. So, he could not finish the homework. Here, sunset. This is adverb, and if we add the other words by, here by sunset is called adverbial phrase, because here adverb and by other words, then mixing other words with this adverb may be adverbial phrase. He could not finish the homework by sunset. In this way, you have to add two or more simple sentences into one simple sentence. The other example. He answered my question his answer was right. So first of all, he answered my question. Here is adjective, and if we add ly, then it will be an adverb. He answered my question readily. The next example, I met my old friend there. It was a mere chance. I met my old friend. Chance. Adjective, by chance. Here adverbial phrase. I met my old friend by chance. In this way, we have to add two or more simple sentences into one simple sentence. Come to the other example. The train is late. That is usual. We have to add these two sentences into one simple sentence. The train is. Here this is adjective, and if we add ly in this adjective, then it will be an adverb. The train is usually late. The train is late. That is usual. The train is usually late. The other examples. He read the passage. His reading was clear. His reading was correct. Here are three sentences. He read the passage. His reading was clear. His reading was correct. Here is two adjectives, clear and correct. If you add ly after this adjective, then it will be an adverb. So, he read the passage clearly and correctly. In this way, we have to make one simple sentences to add two or more simple sentences by using adverbs or adverbial phrase. Other example. He is a clever boy. There is no doubt about it. He is a clever boy. There is no doubt about it. Here doubt is adverb and here negative, so you have to add un before it. He is undoubtedly a clever boy. He is undoubtedly a clever boy. So we have to add two or more simple sentences into one simple sentence. Now other example. You are a good boy. It is certain. Here are two sentences and you have to join these two sentences into one simple sentence by using adverbs or adverbial phrase. Here certain is adverb, certain is adjective, and if you add ly after it, then it will be an adverb. You are certainly a good boy. In this way, you have to add two or more simple sentences into one simple sentence. You have to read cleverly, fluently, carefully, and after then you have to find your homework and you have to complete your homework after reading clearly, cleverly, fluently these examples. Thank you.
Oh yeah.